Alright, so I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to open a lock. These combination locks here have a dial in the center that turns freely, and the dial also has little notches with numbers on them. So this first notch here says 0, the next one's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it keeps on counting up all the way to the number 39 right there. Then it goes back to 0. These little notches on the dial correspond with numbers, and then there's a notch right here on the body of the lock. I don't know if you can see it here on the camera. There's a tiny notch right there on the metal body. That notch is supposed to line up with the notches on the dial. The combination for this particular lock is 36, 23, 30. So the first step in opening this combination lock is to clear it. I'm going to turn it to the right a couple times to clear it. And then I'm going to look for the first number, number 36. I'm going to try to stop out right on that. So here we go. Clearing the lock, going to number 36. Now the number 36 on the dial is in line with the little notch on the body of the lock. The next number is number 23. So I'm going to reverse direction now and go the opposite way to the left. And the first time I go to the number 23, I'm actually going to pass it. That's how these locks work. You pass the number 23 the first time, and you stop on it the second time. And the little notch on the body of the lock is lined up with the dial on the notch on the dial. Finally, the last number, 30, I'm going to go to by reversing the direction of this lock one more time. Going to the right now. I'm going to stop on 30. It should open. There we go. So once again, just to review, first just kind of clear the lock by turning it to the right a few times. Land on your first number, 36. Reverse directions going to the left. The next number is 23, but I'm going to pass it up the first time. Stop on it the second time. So now number 23 is lined up with that little notch. And I'm going to reverse directions the final time to the right to my last number, number 30. And there you go. Opens up. So it's right, left, left, right. Right, stop on the first number. Reverse to the left, pass up this number one time, stop on it the second time you get to it. And then go right to your final number.